Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to talk about top 5 automotive module programmer and vehicle specific diagnostic tools which is used by professional workshop worldwide in 2026. So nowadays the vehicle becoming more advanced and advanced. It's just not like to use a regular scanner and to read and erase fault codes. Now modern and professional workshop required some specific tools to perform ECU programming, module coding, immobilizer work and guided functions, special functions, some software access also and professional guide. So in this video, I will cover top 5 powerful tools which is Jaltest, Flix, JLR Pluto, PS4 and CarPro tool. So at the end of this video, I will suggest you or I will give you my suggestion which is the most valuable tool for your workshop if you want to do some ECU coding or module work. So first we have Jaltest, one of the most trusted diagnostic platform for professional workshops, especially on commercial vehicles, agriculture machines, construction machines, marines, and other off-highway equipments. This is not only a code reader, this is a complete diagnostic and technical information system for the technician who wants to work and diagnose different kind of vehicles. So depending on the Jaltest coverage list, it can support different kind of trucks, bus, agriculture machines like tractors, then marines, jet skis, and other heavy duty and off highway vehicles. With Jaltest, technician can clear and erase the fault code. They have some technical information in the software. With Jaltest Info and Info Plus, it can also support how to solve the problem, and inside the software there is a wiring diagrams, and also it can help you how to approach that specific code and how to clear that code. You have that chance to clear that codes and to perform some specific functions. So with Jaltest Academy, you can also take some special classes how to work on this brilliant tool. So this is one of the most famous and trusted tool in the world. So second tool we have Magic Flix. Magic Flix is a professional ECU and TCU programming tools used by advanced workshop, ECU repair technicians, tuning specialists, and automotive programmers. This tool is mainly designed for read, write and program ECU engine control modules and TCU transmission control units. This can support different working method. This method can be included OBD connection, bench connection, booth mode and other connection where supported. So it is also depending on the ECU and TCU type. The main purpose of Flix is to give access technician for data of ECU and TCU and to perform different kind of ECU cloning, module replacement, software backup, repair work, tuning preparation and advanced chronic control services. So one of the biggest advantage of this Flix Magic, it has a wide coverage list on ECUs and TCUs. It can be used for professional programmers because it has many brands, processors and control unit types. So the third tool we have JLR Pluto. JLR Pluto is a brand specific diagnostic solutions for the Land Rover and Jaguar cars. So this is designed for the workshop who are regularly working on the Land Rover and Jaguar vehicle and need a proper diagnostic solution. So JLR vehicles are known as advanced electric system, security access, module communication and brand specific services functions. Because normal scanner can give you the access for limitations on some brands or some models, but this can give you a complete access for your newer models for the Jaguar and Land Rover. With JLR Pluto, a technician can diagnose, read and clear fault codes, check live data, diagnose modules, perform guided functions and access different services brand related functions. So this is useful such as for the engine, transmission, ABS, air suspensions, BCM, HVAC, parking system, security system and other control modules. So JLR Pluto is specially designed for the workshops who are regularly working on the Jaguar and Land Rover models and newer models and they want a complete diagnostic solution. So this is the best option for them. So the fourth tool we have PS4. PS4 is a professional diagnostic solution for the Porsche vehicle. Porsche vehicle are a brand specific diagnostic access to accurate system diagnosis, services functions and module related functions. So it is used for design for the Porsche vehicles as compared to normal scanners. They can give you a limited access on the Porsche vehicles, but this one can give you a complete access for your newer model to do some specific functions. So for this PS4, a technician can diagnose read and erase the fault code, do some services reset functions, live data, active test, calibrations, and module related functions. So with this PS4, it is very useful to do engine related functions, suspension, body control module, comfort functions, Porsche electronic system, and other functions. So this is mainly used for the Porsche vehicles only. You have only the Porsche cars in your workshop. So this is very useful while you are working only on for the Porsche, because this is a brand specific. There is no other cars like you can do for as a normal scanner. So a normal scanner is just only can scan the basic fault codes and that can erase those codes, but this can give you a complete access for your Porsche vehicles. So the fifth tool we have CarPro tool from the DAG car company known as CPT. So this tool is a professional tool used for mainly airbag service module. So this is for the crash data and SRS module work. So if a car get an accident, after that it store its crash data inside the airbag module. In some cases, we need to do some services on the airbag module, or we need to recover that crash data. So this tool can be useful for that purpose, to recover the crash data from your airbag module. So the technician can do airbag module services using different connection like from OBD, CAN, and other direct connection from the ECU module. So the CarPro tool full package can give complete access for the SRS modules, which is very helpful for your workshop. And this tool is usually used for those garages who are mainly working on a SRS module and accident cars. So it has a complete and wide coverage list. There is two types of units for this one. One is a smart OBD and one is a CPT. While smart OBD can give you access to use directly from the OBD connection from your car OBD, and while CPT can give you a manual connection, while you can do the work with the soldering connection from your SRS module. So these tools both are very professional and used for those technicians who are mainly work professionally on a SRS module. So this is the best and fantastic tool only for SRS and crash data recovery tools, and for some ECU work tools also. So if you will ask me for my personal suggestion in all these 5 tools, so these 5 tools are really very fantastic and making sense in the market. If you are working on 24 volt, the gel test is very important. So if you are working on ECU and TCU modules, so FlexMagic is making a great sense in that terms. Or if you are working on the JLR, Jaguar and Land Rover, first and last solution is JLR Pluto. Let's suppose if you are working on the Porsche cars, so we have PS4. Same if you are working on your SRS modules and crash data recovery, so we have this CarPro tool. So all these 5 tools are very important for your automotive workshops if you have all these requirements. So if you want more information regarding this tool, just comment us below. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.